Welcome back. This is Sean Gormley, your host, and today I want to talk to you for a couple of minutes about something that I am asked over and over, and thought, with me starting this new series, I can be able to help you and others. So today we are talking about, what can I do to brand myself and to get myself noticed out there, specifically on YouTube, because this is frankly where you are watching and listening this to. Now with YouTube, for you to be able to get noticed, you need to be consistent. You need to upload videos at least once a week. Now we teach our group and our community to do that and how to brand themselves and be able to get there and be noticed and get in those lists. So for those people that say, well, I don't have time to make a video every day or every week, well, you don't have to be in front of the camera for one. You can be doing some how-to videos or something that is a hobby of yours that you enjoy doing. So you don't always have to be in the video, which brings me to this next cool part that I am doing and have noticed other top people doing. And so that is making a video every day. Now, the video doesn't have to be a video camera or something with your screen. It can be as simple as a podcast. And this is where I host all of my podcast on. So you are intentionally, with YouTube's concern, uploading a video every day, but it's actually a podcast in your voice. So this is where I share and do my helpful hints on people that, like me at one time, I was a single income father of a family of 4, and now generate a multi-stream of income, and I want to help other people do the same. I have a program that just helps people step by step. You head over to sg.us.com to learn more, and I can't wait to see you on the next podcast. Now we come to the favorite part of this segment, where I get to share with you how to qualify for a weekly drawing to a complimentary vacation. All you have to do is pay for the taxes and find a way to get there. This month is going to be, which is August 2018, I'm going to be sending you to Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a great fun place. Go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new updates, and also comment below. That's how you get registered to be in the weekly drawing. Now, if you want to be a part of a community that is helping individuals and families achieve more in life by motivating and accelerating their gifts from God, then head over to sg.us.com, fill out some information, and watch the videos on how we are helping people start off at a low price and help you generate an income that can change your life and your family's life. We help people video training on how to market and brand themselves online, on Facebook, on ManyChat, on YouTube, and we want to help you do the same. So head over to sg.us.com and we will see you there. Take care and God bless.